What's up, everybody? Mr. Young here. Today I'm going to walk you through the process of creating a variant to pull your ESRs. So if you're pulling multiple units, or maybe you're pulling UICs like individual companies, batteries, whatever it is, that may not be under the same battalion, or you're pulling multiple battalions, multiple brigades, things of that nature, you're going to get tired of putting all that information in. So you're going to want to create a variant. And the cool part about variants is if you know what you're looking for, or if you know the DoD ID number of somebody, you can also use their variant as well and see what variants they may have created within G-Army. So I'm going to walk you through this process for creating your variant within the ESR. Let's get on a computer. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is, once you get in here, what we're going to do is hit the multiple selection. And then we're just going to put in, I'm going to put in all the same ones to show what you can do with this, but it is not limited to just doing these. I don't want to pull somebody else's battalions. This is how it's going to work. I need to put in 0, not an O. All right, so we've added 4 here, so I'm going to click on the check mark. Once you got to this point, this is where you're going to go in and change different things. So if you want to pull only reportable items, you're going to leave it through E. We'll make it through K. Maybe you want to change what operational statuses you pull. Now, this is not limited to just the force element. You can do this with work center as well. This is kind of like all of what you want it to be. You build it the way that you need to pull it. Once you've put in your criteria for the search, you're going to go up to go to. You're going to click on variants and then go across, and then you want to save as variant. What it's going to do is give you some options. You have to at least fill in these 2 portions here. So we're going to put in, now you can see I've already got some, but this is not for this one. So just make sure you understand that you're not deleting out an old variant that you may have for something else. So once we have this in, we're going to save it. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to back out. I'm going to go back into my ESR, and you can see everything is blank. So we're going to go to variant and then get. If this is your variant, all you need to do is just make sure that your DoD ID number is in there, and then hit the check mark, and it will automatically populate. Now, if you have multiple, it will pull up all of those variants to give you an option to choose whichever one you want to choose from. So maybe it's not limited to just doing one variant. You can do multiple variants. So what I can do is go in here and add another 2 units. I need to change this one to Tango 0. Alright, so what I'll do is leave a check mark and then go to variants and then save as. And then what I want to do is we'll save it as 2. Right? Save. We're going to back out, go back in, go to variants. And then once I hit this check mark, it's going to give me an option to choose whichever one I want to go with. And then I'll just choose that one. And that is it. Alright guys, you can see that this is a fairly simple thing. You can do this for multiple things, but I wanted to make this one specific because I'm working on a series to put it in with the ESR to make it easier for you guys to understand how to create an easier workflow. Guys, if you got more comments or concerns or questions, or if you need to add to it, please go down to the comments, leave those there so that I know what's going on. There may be some updates and they get put in the description, so make sure you're checking that out. That's where the T code will be as well for the ESR. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. I appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and do so. That really helps the channel out, helps us get spread out there. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.